Hi, my name is Brandon Burke. I'm a composites design and manufacturing engineer for Applied CAX. Today I will be providing an overview of NX Composites. NX Composites allows users to design composite parts directly inside NX. It has considerations for producibility and design for manufacturing. You can examine and review composite definition with design stations and cross-sections. It provides the capability to export flat patterns and laser projection files. The Composites application in NX has a user-friendly interface. The Composites ribbon tab guides users through the process of defining a composite part by working the features from left to right, starting with defining the layup surface. After creating the composite part definition, users can create design stations and composite cross-sections to review or display design intent at specific locations on the laminate. Design stations allow users to select a point on the laminate and obtain relevant composite details, including the number of plies and total thickness. There are three key improvements for NX Composites in the NX 2412 release. The HD F5 export offers a new interface to computer-aided engineering via a neutral file format to enable structural analysis of the composite part, as well as two new logical rules to create PMI tables for documentation. Note the HDF5 CAE exchange requires optional module NX30752 for NX Composites CAE interface. The HD F5 export allows users to send ply data to computer-aided engineering for structural analysis and allows users to convert NX Composites data to FiberSim data. This could be beneficial for those who are creating basic composite designs and need to get the data into FiberSim for other end users or partners, or require more advanced features found in FiberSim. This process will be covered in depth in another video. The HDF5 export file can be read by leading FEA software including SimCenter 3D and FEMAP. Inside the reuse library are two new logical rules that create associative PMI tables to display ply and composite material data as depicted on the right. Both tables are standard PMI objects that can be displayed on drawings and used in standard model-based definition workflows. As shown in this brief presentation, NX Composites provides an excellent solution for designing composite parts inside NX with a user-friendly interface and provides necessary features including flat pattern and laser projection exports to support the manufacturing process. I would like to thank you for your time, and I hope you found this overview of NX Composites useful.